Women will oftentimes come in and they're interested in increasing the size of their breasts to make themselves feel better about the way that they look. And breast augmentation is something that they can undergo. And if you're a woman who is interested in increasing the size of your breast, you should be able to get through the recovery period in about a week's time. This is not something that's an overly painful procedure. You will be a little bit sore afterwards. There's a minimal downtime. And it does take a couple months for you to get to your final results, but it's overall one of the more simplistic and straightforward procedures that we perform. What our preferred method for breast augmentation is typically to place the implants under the muscle. And it's typically, in our practice, a gel-based implant. We are really not putting in very many saline implants. And the reason for that is that the feel and the overall result afterwards really looks great. It looks much more superior than a saline implant. Also, the incidence of something called a capsular contraction, where some scar tissue can form around the implant, happens at a slightly higher rate when you're placing a saline implant in. And so by putting that implant under the muscle, you also reduce the chances of having capsular contractions. I think that if you're interested in having a breast augmentation, certainly give us a call, come in for a consult, come in for at least a 3-dimensional scan and talk about it with us.